only fear God and the police. Gangsta keep a close heat. Niggas acting hot-headed, ending up with cold feet. No peace, niggas smoking good, got that 4-leaf. Say you got better, who gives a fuck, don't show me. Stay chill, ever hype me up, then I'm the real deal. Name is Revolver, all steel, the cat peel. Train a bitch out with the homie, it's a gag reel. Had to go slide on a nigga, it got mad real. Worried about the money, I ain't trying to show sex appeal. Hold it in your hand just to see if the tech is real. Make a deal, don't show up, now I'm on the kill. Catch your ass slipping with your bitch, Netflix and chill. Trill hitter, take a bitch out if she a gold digger. Whole niggas catch a slug quick, whole slow niggas, yo niggas. Fold under pressure, eyes closed, nigga. Leaving closed casket for rap bastards, that's real nigga. They tryna hold me down with the mental, no fear, won't hide, won't lie to the temple, hey. Boy, I'm just dying just to hit you. Extra magazines, now he got his issue. The scripture ripping through tissue. Here's something extra for the weight. Nowadays they get grimy over cake. I just sit back and wait, cause patience is all that it takes. I'm here, dawg, open up the gates. Believe it or not, hate it or love it or like it or not, and send a shot. Only if I could bring back Pac and stack a knot. Break the pot with my kids, I know they got pops. It's MOB cause I don't think about thoughts. It's head first for my family, it's the Rambo in me. Blow a circuit as I unload, you missed the centerpiece. Swear to God you squares, we ain't in the same symmetry. Lacking the ability, but simply you my enemy. But vividly, attacking every track so viciously. Pick a G, bound to show up with some B's and C's. Coming with my A game, ain't no niggas seeing me. Pop up like Jimmy John's, now that's a quick delivery. History in the making, not something I pretend to be. Hit that boy until he stop moving, now I'm the UFC. Eliminate the fake, keep the real and build chemistry. Just broke through the padlock so I can start a legacy. They tryna hold me down with the mental, no fear, won't hide, won't lie to the temple, hey. Boy, I'm just dying just to hit you. Extra magazines, now he got his issue. The scripture ripping through tissue. Here's something extra for the weight. Nowadays they get grimy over cake. I just sit back and wait, cause patience is all that it takes. I'm here, dawg, open up the gates. Believe it or not, they tryna hold me down with the mental. No fear, won't hide, won't lie to the temple, hey. Boy, I'm just dying just to hit you. Extra magazines, now he got his issue. The scripture ripping through tissue. Here's something extra for the weight. Nowadays they get grimy over cake. I just sit back and wait, cause patience is all that it takes. I'm here, dawg, open up the gates. Believe it or not.